The Tata Harrier EV brings bold design and strong electric performance. It comes in two battery options, 65 kWh and 75 kWh, built to deliver power, range and confidence on every road. Before we get into the numbers, remember, the right charger completes the EV experience. Now let's see how fast the Harrier EV really charges. The Harrier EV supports a maximum of 7.5 kW AC charging and up to 120 kW DC fast charging. For the 65 kWh variant with a 7.5 kW AC charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in around 8 to 9 hours. For the 75 kWh variant with a 7.5 kW AC charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in around 10 to 11 hours. If you need more speed, a 120 kW DC fast charger takes the Harrier EV from 20 to 80% in just about 25 minutes, keeping your journey uninterrupted. Now, this is where Zevpoint makes charging even better. For portable flexibility and smart usage tracking, choose the AV Pro 7.5 kW. And for a sleek, reliable wall-mounted setup, go for the Polo Pro 7.5 kW. Charge smarter, drive further, move smarter.